Good afternoon friends. In this video I'll show you how can you upload a new article in your WordPress website. For this demo purpose I will be using one of my website sci-fi.in, which is hosted on a WordPress backend. So let's first visit the sci-fi.in. This is the website. Now we have to go to the login page of this website, which is sci-fi.in/wp-login.php. This is the default login web page for any WordPress website. So suppose your website is xyz.com, so the default WordPress login page will be xyz.com/wp-login.php. In this web page you have to fill your username or email address and the password. So I am filling up the username, which is admin, and the password, and login. As you can see, at the left hand side there is a menu where it shows the post option. When you hover on the post option, it will show all posts, add new, categories and tags. To upload a new post, I will click on add new post. Okay, this is the classic interface of WordPress. I will type the post title, and the text element. You can either save the draft or preview the article before publishing. I am previewing the article. This is a demo post. This is the content. Hi, this is a demo video to show how to upload a new post on WordPress. If this looks okay to me, I close this preview and press the publish button. Okay, now this article is published. As you can see, the visibility is showing public. Okay, you can view the post from this option, view post. So the URL of this post is sci-fi.in/this-is-a-demo-post. You can either edit by pressing the edit post option. You can also revert back your article you can revert back your article as status as publish to pending review or draft. I'll make it pending review. Update. So now the article is not live anymore. it is left for pending review. As you can see, this is showing some article number, but the article URL is gone, is something different. Once you are ready with your post, you can publish your post. After publishing your post, you can view your dashboard and see all posts. This is a demo post. As it is showing, it is left for review. Okay, there is another article which is left as draft. This article is published, so you can view it. Okay, once you are done, you can go and log out from your dashboard. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.